Hello everyone. It is the video for class 6th, okay, chapter 2 practice book and also the grammar portion of the course book. So let's begin with the word power. Under this word power today we are going to study first some common animal expressions. What are the animal expressions? The sounds which are made by the animals. जो sounds animals produce करते हैं, जो voice animals निकालते हैं, those are known as the animal expressions. Okay, let's read from the book first. You just read this lovely story about the most endearing relationship between man and animals. Let's read out some words and expressions that we use to describe animals which can also be used to talk about humans. Okay, हम देखते हैं कि एनिमल्स तरह तरह की आवाज़ें निकालते हैं. डॉग कौन सी आवाज़ निकालता है? भाव भाव. कैट म्यू म्यू. मंकी चिटर चैटर या फिर ची ची. ओके, डक क्वैक्स डब डब. Then pig gub gub. Okay, toot toot. So these are the animal expressions, sounds of the animals. Meow meow. Okay, so let's see more further. These are the expressions of the animals and we are going to study this today. Some words for animal noises are used for people. Get out, he barked. Okay, barked means किसी को बुरी तरह से डांटना. तो that is the expression of a dog. He howled in pain. Who is howling actually? Howling किसका साउंड होता है? वुल्फ का. तो ही हाउल्ड इन पेन. रात को जब वुल्फ रोते हैं या डॉग्स रोते हैं तो कैसे साउंड आता है? शी रोड विद लाफ्टर. रोरिंग लायन रोर्स. गरजना. ओके, आई हेट यू. शी हिस्ड. हिस्ड इज द साउंड ऑफ स्नेक. The moment things go wrong, people howl and scream. Scream like a peacock. They like to chirp. Chirping is of the birds. Okay, especially parrots. I think he has a sore throat. I heard him croaking. Who is croaking actually? Frog. Croak 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 croak. They were grunting while trying to climb the stairs with their heavy bags. Who is actually grunting? Pig. So these are the animal expressions which are used in our day-to-day sentences. Okay, but they are actually not of the humans. They are the sounds of the animals. But we, to give the importance to our sentence, okay, or to make our expressions proper, sometimes we use these expressions for humans also. Let's move further. Let's try 5. Let us read some common animal sayings and find out what they mean. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. If that means an old person will not easily change the way he or she does something. Okay. Next one is you can lead a horse to water but you can't make it drink. It means you cannot force someone to do something or something he or she doesn't want to do. Okay, so you can make it easy for someone to do something but you cannot force him to do her so. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या कहा? यू कैन लीड अ हॉर्स टू वाटर. आप एक घोड़े को पानी तक तो ले जा सकते हो पर उसको पानी पीने के लिए फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. लेट द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग. टू शेयर इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट वाज प्रीवियसली कंसील्ड. किसी छुपे हुए राज को जाहिर करना. दैट इज नोन एज लेट द cat out of the bag. Now here are some more animal sayings. Match them with their correct meanings. We have to match the meanings with their expressions. First, don't count your chicken before they hatch. That means it is the fourth one. ये किससे match होगा? Fourth वाले से. Don't be so sure. Don't be too sure of something to happen as it may not go as it planned. Okay. Next, the early bird catches the worm. The person who gets their first will get what he she wants. Don't shed crocodile tears means person who shed crocodile tears don't feel sorry for their actions. It is raining cats and dogs. That means it is raining heavily. Kill two birds with one stone. Accomplish two different things at the same time. Okay. Now again let's try 6. An idiom is a group of words in a fixed order. Next we are talking about idioms. Idioms क्या होते हैं? Idioms का मतलब होता है मुहावरा. हिंदी में हम जिसे मुहावरा कहते हैं that is known as idiom. Idiom is a group of words or simply we can say idiom is a phrase which doesn't give us the literal meaning. उसका मीनिंग एज इट इज नहीं होता जैसे कि वर्ड्स दिए हुए होते हैं. उसका मीनिंग कुछ और ही डिफरेंट होता है. ईडियम इज यूज एज अ टूल टू इम्प्रूव आवर लैंग्वेज, टू मेक आवर लैंग्वेज ब्यूटिफुल, टू मेक आवर लैंग्वेज इंटरेस्टिंग. होल्ड योर हाउसेस. होल्ड योर हाउसेस. इट मीन्स टू स्लो डाउन और वेट फॉर अ मोमेंट. होल्ड योर हॉर्सेस. अपने घोड़ों को लगाम दो या फिर हम कहते हैं ना शांत. ओके, दैट इज इट मीन्स टू स्लो डाउन. तो ईडियम क्या हुआ, ईडियम को हिंदी हम कहते हैं मुहावरा। मुहावरे का प्रयोग क्यों करते हैं, हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए। ओके, इट इज अ फ्रेज, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट गिव्स अस अ मीनिंग। ओके, एंड दैट मीनिंग मेक्स आवर लैंग्वेज ब्यूटीफुल। द मीनिंग इज नॉट सेम ऑफ द वर्ड्स। अगर हम मुहावरों का एक एक शब्द का मीनिंग ढूंढेंगे तो वो नहीं होगा। मुहावरा अपने आप में डिफरेंट मीनिंग, पूरा मुहावरा अपने आप में एक डिफरेंट मीनिंग देता है। Okay, now use these words to complete each idiom. Find the meaning within the brackets. Why are they so late? I am suspicious. I smell a dog. Sorry, I smell a rat. Something, suspect that something is, it is not as it appears. I smell a rat. It was my first time at the opera. I felt like a fish out of a water. पानी के बिना मछली तड़पता हुआ. Our neighbor gave us a dash cock and bull story. मतलब which is not true. कुछ बातें बनाई हुई. I worked like a, किसकी तरह काम किया हमने, I worked like a dog on my school project, worked very hard. I got the dash share of cake. I got the lion's share of cake. That means the biggest portion. Okay, now let's moving towards the next part, that is the practice book, that we will do in next video. Thank you.